Welcome to 2025 Kaspersky Industrial CyberSecurity Essential Updates Overview. In this video, we will show and explain the most significant changes made to Kix for Linux nodes in version 2.0. The list shows all the changes introduced to the product. We will focus primarily on 3 of them in this video. First is the major integration improvement that allows to show Killchain graph for Kix for Linux nodes events within Kix for Networks interface and execute EDR response actions. Second is built-in industrial control systems exclusion profiles. Third is new performance analysis task that helps to determine processes which can be added to exclusions list for host performance optimization. The integration of telemetry data over UDP data diodes will be explained in a dedicated Kix for Networks video. Please follow the link to Kaspersky Online Help Portal to view complete list of changes. Starting from Release 2.0, Kix for Linux nodes integration with Kix for Networks allows you to view incident kill chain graph. Here we have a Linux host with installed endpoint protection and configured integration with Kix for Networks. On the Assets page, we can ensure that integration with host is active. Let's simulate endpoint's incident event by extracting iCar test file from archive. As you can see, Kix for Networks received the event. The Details area contains Activity Event Graph tab, where you can find comprehensive information on chain of events and involved files. It is possible to execute response actions to mitigate detected threat. We shall choose to delete infected file and ensure that it was successfully removed from the folder. Some response actions not related to particular event, like isolate device and start process, are available from context menu on Assets page. Now let's move on to the next feature. Built-in industrial software exclusion profiles were added to help users optimize performance of endpoint protection software. Applying profiles shall minimize performance impact to particular industrial applications installed on hosts. The profiles can be added during installation process or later during operation. In our example, we are using policy configured in Kaspersky Security Center to manage hosts with installed Kix for Linux nodes application. On the application general settings, we can manage global exclusions. Let's see how profile configuration step looks like during remote product deployment from KSC web interface. Please be aware that selected exclusion profile within remote deployment package is considered as local and shall affect only target hosts. Exclusion profiles which were added from policy do not show list of local exclusions. During local installation, the wizard shall prompt user to select industrial exclusion profiles as well. In case the list of profiles does not cover your installed industrial applications, the new performance analysis task was introduced in version 2.0. The task can be executed from KSC web interface. Configure desired monitoring scope and monitoring period. Save changes and start the task. After task is complete, under Application Settings, Performance Analysis Results, it will have a list of processes which have a high frequency of file operations. It is possible to import proposed list of processes from the same page directly to the policy exclusions. The task requires some third-party libraries to be successfully executed on hosts. Please follow the link to view feature requirements. This concludes Kix for Linux nodes new features overview. Please follow the links to view complete list of changes for Kix products. Thank you for watching.